Hello, I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning, and this is Canvas in a Minute. Today, we're going to learn how to include your participation policy in your homepage. So if you see, we're on our homepage here of whichever course we need to edit. And we put this information in, late work, participation, maybe you have a plagiarism policy, which I highly recommend, but they're all coming soon. So how do you add it? Well, first, we're going to open announcements in a different tab. So click on announcements, open in a new tab. You're going to make an announcement. This is a new course. So you probably just talked to your TA. Maybe you talked to your students too, and perhaps you're following the school's policy. Perhaps you created one together if there's not a default one already in place. And I'll label this late work policy. Copy and paste what I've already agreed on with the students and with the TA. Make sure it follows the school policy too, and we'll hit save. And this will create an announcement that explains our late work policy. So now we just need to copy the link up here. Come back to our home page. We'll hit edit. And you can scroll down to where it says late work policy. We'll delete this coming soon. We're going to change the color of this text to make it blue so people know it's a link. And in here, there's this link to URL button that you want. Click on that. Paste in that link you copied before, and we'll hit save. So now, if students go back to the home page, they'll see when they scroll down, late work policy, there's a link right there. They can click on it, and it'll take them directly to the announcement we just made. This is a much cleaner, more organized version than putting all that information in the home page. Just create a link to an announcement, and you'll have your information right there waiting for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.